This video introduced how to program a LED strip.
To program LED strip, first step you need to go to Arduino IDE, go to Tools, Manage Libraries, and install the library. It's called FastLED. Choose the first one. Mine is already installed. Once you install it, you can go to File, Examples, then scroll down and look for FastLED. In here, there are many examples in here, but in here we're going to choose Color Palette. Once the color palette is loaded in, we need to change a couple of figures. First, you need to update with the LED strips how many number of the LEDs, and mine is 60. Which LED pane that you connect to, so mine is 3. So you update it, and then you can upload the program to the Arduino Nano or Uno.
There are 3 pins that are connected to the LED strip. The red pin that are connected to power, black pin connected to the ground, and the yellow pin connected to the signal. Now connected to the digital pin number 3.